Namaste dear students, myself Rangayes, Department of Chemistry, Sri Gurukul Group of Institutions, Tumkur. Dear students, today we will discuss about Introduction of Chemistry. Introduction of Chemistry. What is chemistry? It is a branch of science which deals with the study about composition, properties, reactions of elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. Dear students, what are elements? Elements are the simplest kind of substance. Simplest kind of substance. Elements are also called purity of substance. Clear that point? Purity of substance. Give some examples of elements: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, like this. These are the best examples of elements. Next, now we shall first into compounds. What are compounds? Compounds are the mixture of two or more elements. Two or more same kinds of or different kinds of elements is called compounds. Dear students, compounds are classified into two types. Compounds are classified into two types: organic compounds. Next one is inorganic compounds. What are organic compounds? Those compounds which contain carbon. Those compounds which contain carbon. Simply, carbon compounds are called organic compounds. I will repeat once again. Carbon compounds are called organic compounds. It is clear that point. Dear students, almost all organic compounds are obtained from living organisms. Obtained from living organisms. Dear students, all of you listen here. Best examples for organic compound is carbohydrates. Glucose, starch, cellulose, etc. are the best examples of carbohydrates. Almost all carbohydrates are synthesized from plants. It is clear the point. Next, now we shall first into second examples of organic compounds: proteins. Proteins are the organic compounds which are synthesized from animals. It is clear the point. Next, lipids, oils and fats are called what? Lipids. Lipids are also synthesized from animals. It is clear that point. Other some examples of organic compounds are hydrocarbons, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, like this. This type of compounds are covered under organic compounds. Almost all these are the examples of organic compounds. Dear students, all these compounds are made up of carbon. Hence, carbon is the most essential constituent of all organic compounds. Carbon is the most essential constituent of all organic compounds. It is clear that point. Next, now we shall first into inorganic compounds. Dear students, what are inorganic compounds? Except carbon compounds are called inorganic compounds. Those compounds which do not contain carbon. Those compounds which do not contain carbons are called inorganic compound. A shortcut answer is except carbon compounds are called inorganic compounds. Clear the point. Almost all inorganic compounds are synthesized from non-living things. What are non-living things? Earth crust is a non-living thing. Sea water is a non-living thing. These are the examples of non-living things. For example, minerals. Minerals are the natural occurring chemical substance occurs from earth crust. Given examples for minerals: hematite mineral, bauxite mineral. Clear that point. These are the best examples of inorganic compound. Next, now we shall first into salts. Most of the salts are inorganic compounds. Some examples of salts are NaCl, potassium iodide, etc. These are the best examples of inorganic compounds. Dear students, acids: H2SO4, HNO3, sulfuric acid, nitric acid are the best examples of acids. These compounds are considered as an inorganic compounds. Dear students, next now we shall first into base: NaOH, CaOH twice, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are the inorganic compounds. Dear students, all these compounds made up of metals and non-metals, but not carbon atom. Except carbon compounds are called inorganic compounds. Clear that? All these inorganic compounds does not contain carbon. Hence, carbon is not an essential constituent of all inorganic compounds. These are the main difference between organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Clear that point? I will repeat once again. Compounds of carbon are called organic compounds, except carbon compounds are called as inorganic compounds. Main difference is carbon is the most essential elements of all organic compounds. Carbon is not most essential constituents of all inorganic compounds. It is clear that point. Dear students, next now we shall first on to types of branches of chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the composition, properties, reactions of elements and compounds. Chemistry are divided into mainly three branches. Three branches are discussed in both first PU and second PU. Many branches are there, but in first PU and second PU, main we are discussed about three branches. One is called organic chemistry, next one is inorganic chemistry, next one is physical chemistry. Dear students, what is organic chemistry? It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of compounds of carbon, means organic compounds. Clear that point. First chemical reactions of organic chemistry is ammonium cyanate. Ammonium cyanate is an inorganic compound. It is an inorganic compound. This ammonium cyanate is heated for few minutes. Rearrangement take place. After that, to produce urea, NH2CO NH2. This is the first organic compound. This organic compound is synthesis from laboratory, but not in living organisms. This compound was discovered by Friedrich Wöhler. Friedrich Wöhler. Hence, Friedrich Wöhler is the father of organic chemistry. Clear the point. Next, now we shall first into inorganic chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of except carbon compounds. Except carbon compound. Clear the point. Except carbon compounds is called inorganic compounds. That compounds are covered under inorganic chemistry. Who is the father of inorganic chemistry? Alfred Werner is the father of inorganic chemistry because cuprammonium sulfate was discovered by Alfred Werner. Hence, Alfred Werner is the father of inorganic chemistry. It is clear the point. This type of compounds are covered under inorganic chemistry. Next, now we shall first into main third branches. Third branch of chemistry, physical chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of what? Losses and theories of compounds. Different laws are covered under physical chemistry. Different theories also covered under physical chemistry. Clear that point. For example, subatomic particles such as proton, neutron, electrons or different levels are covered under physical chemistry. This type of losses are discovered by what? W. Ostwald. W. Ostwald is the father of physical chemistry. These are the main branches of chemistry, dear students, and also some other branches is there in our nuclear chemistry, biochemistry, and analytical chemistry. This type of chemistry is discussed under higher energy level. Higher energy level. Dear students, thank you.